As outlined in the webinar earlier, I'm now going to show you our new feature, which is Table Designer. By clicking the Modify Table, you have an option over here to either create your own round, rectangular or oval table. So for example, if we wanted to create, say, a 1.8 meter round, we can create, say, a 2.2 meter round or whatever round you like. You adjust it here. Now, those who use feet instead of meters, by going up to your profile, you can also adjust it here. But for this example, we'll just keep it in meters. Max number of chairs is what you would like to set for the absolute max number of chairs for that particular table. This will stop your users from accidentally going over that maximum. Set number of chairs is your default number of chairs. So when you drag this table out from your favorites, this is the default number of chairs that will appear. So in this case, let's make it 12. Now, as you can see, if I try and go more than 14, it won't let you do it because your max number of chairs is at 14. If I reduce the max number of chairs, you'll see how the set number of chairs will be reduced as well because you can't go over that max. So let's just go back to, say, 14, and we'll make the default set of chairs 12. You can also change the rotation angle, okay, which means number one, you might want number one to start on the right hand side. So if we rotate it, say, 90 degrees, number one is now here. Okay, I'll take it back to 0. The cabaret style, so for example, you can see what your cabaret style will look like by then ticking this box and then coming through here and setting the number of chairs for your cabaret. Okay, and then adjusting the level of spacing as well. Okay, so what we'll do, we will untick this and we'll go back to 12 chairs, and then we simply click Create. What this has done, this has placed this table onto our screen. Now from here, we can then go to our favorites and simply drag and drop this table back to our favorites. We can then give it a name, so I'm just going to call it Large Banquet Table and click Apply. Now that is saved with our favorites, so once you save that, you can now drag this out and just use it as part of your normal furniture, like so. So similar to the round, you also have rectangular, which has very similar settings. However, with rectangular, you have 4 sides. So here is where you can actually change the maximum of chairs that you would like for each side, top, bottom, left, and right. And that also does the same thing there as well. And same with oval. So try that out, and if you have any questions, let us know.